Hello Divi members, my name is Lavish and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can import the demo content of virtual Divi child theme. So let's go to my screen and I will show you how you can do that. Alright, so as you can see on my screen, this is the virtual assistant Divi child theme and you can see all the content of this child theme. So okay, now let me go to my another WordPress installation that I have just did, and this is the temporary WordPress installation that I'm going to use to just show you how you can install the Divi theme and then install the plugin and how you can import the demo content of this child theme. So let me just quickly click on this add new and then upload the Divi theme over here by browsing. So let me just navigate to my Divi theme. It should be over here. Okay, as you can see, I have selected the Divi theme and now let me just click on this install now button. So this will take a couple of seconds and then we will proceed to our plugin installation and then the demo content of child theme. Alright, so as you can see, Divi theme is installed and let me just quickly activate it. And now as you can see, the Divi theme is activated as well. Now let me just click on this plugin. You just have to hover over plugins and then you have to click on this add new because the package is in plugin file. Okay, so you just have to click on this upload plugin, then click on this browse. Alright, so this is the zip file that you will get once you purchase the virtual Divi child theme. So you just have to open it. In some case you can get the another zip file which you have to extract first. So there will be a some kind of description over here, or it will be written over here, extract first, then after that you have to choose this file, Divi virtual assistant child theme, and you just have to open it and then click on this install now button, and this will take a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes depending on your server and internet speed. So once this is done, then we have to import the demo content. Alright, so as you can see over here, the plugin is installed, and now just have to click on this activate plugin. So once this is activated, you will see the welcome screen over here and it says welcome. This is the some kind of message over here, and then this is the contact. If in case you have any problem regarding the photos, or the theme is not working, or the demo content is not importing, so you can just click on this and you can contact me directly from here. Alright, so we are going to import the content and the home page, widgets, menu, Divi library, templates, theme builder, settings, and this is the plugin that we are going to import and some other options. Okay, now you just have to click on this begin site import, and this will start the obviously importing of demo content, but this will take around 5 minutes to import because there are a lot of images. But let me just give you one disclaimer. Maybe the images are not included in your package because of the GPL license, so don't worry about that. You will get the readme file in which all the images will be there, like all the links of the images will be there, and you can just copy the link and can download the image from the browser. But if you don't want to do that because that's a lengthier process, so you can just contact me and I will do the installation with the images. Alright, so let me just wait, and once this is 100%, then I will come back to you and then we can proceed. Alright, so as you can see on my screen, the package is completely imported, and let's check on the website if the demo content is imported or not. So let's go to the home page and let's see how it looks like. Let me just make it bigger because my screen is 5K, so that's why. Alright, so everything looks perfect to me, but there are few more settings that you have to do, and which is you have to go to the settings and then click on this general. Once you are here, you just have to replace the site title, so it will be your website name or your company name or whatever you want to write over here, and then you have to edit this tagline, and after that you can save changes. Click on the save changes, and then you have to go to the permalinks in which this is very important, because if you don't change this to this one, then there can be a 404 error on your website. So make sure to choose this post name, and once you choose, click on the save changes. And one more thing, that you have to delete the default post which is over here in the all post. So I just have to click on this trash button over here, and now let's check the home page how it looks like. So yeah, obviously it's same, and let's check other pages as well. So let's go to the resources, looks okay. Now let's go to the blog page and see how it looks like. Looks perfect to me. Yeah, all good. Now let's go to the contact us page and see how it looks like. I think yeah, perfect. Okay, now let's check the testimonials. This is the last one. I know you are getting bored. Alright, perfect. So everything is alright, and I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to purchase this child theme, please go to the link in the description below, and you can purchase the child theme from there. And we have more than 100 layouts in our shop, and more than 10 child themes in our shop. So if you want to have a look, link in the description. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.